Today is Monday, so let's show you my typical Monday. No, I'm not going to start you off with watching you brush my teeth, wash my face, make coffee. That's not interesting. But what I will show you is what I do every Monday so I can work for the week. So, with that, let's get started. So, here's my desk. It is a mess from the work week last week and from the weekend of doing a little bit of 3D printing with my Bamboo Labs A1 with an AMS. Um, so, what we are going to do is we are going to get this all cleaned up so we can actually work. The desk is now clean. Would you like to see it? So, this is what my Monday morning desk looks like, and on Friday, we'll give you what a Friday desk looks like. Okay, so we watched me clean my desk on Monday, getting this thing ready for work for the week. And today is Friday, so let's just take a look and see how the desk looks after 4 days of working. So here it is. What have we accumulated on the desk since Monday? We have some empty water bottles that need to be recycled. Notepads are spread around. I got some silica packs that just need to be put away. But to be honest, this week the desk doesn't look too bad after the week. But I think typically a lot of the mess comes from the weekend when I'm not actually working. What I'm doing is using the 3D printer and either printing stuff to make my desk more usable, like like I charge like my watch charger, my monitor riser legs, uh, a lot of stuff you can't see also. But then it kind of the remnants get left on top of the desk, and then Monday morning I come down and I have to clean everything up. Thanks for watching this episode. We will see you next time.